Hello everyone and welcome back to Joy's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the incredible world of rosemary, a fragrant herb with a rich history and a myriad of health benefits. I'm Joy, and in this video we'll explore the many ways rosemary can enhance your life, from culinary uses to its therapeutic properties. So stick around and let's discover the magic of this marvelous herb together. Before we explore the benefits, let's travel back in time to uncover the rich history of rosemary. This aromatic herb has been cherished for centuries for its culinary, medicinal, and even mystical properties. Now let's fast forward and discuss its incredible health benefits. 1. Memory enhancement. Rosemary has long been associated with memory improvement. Research suggests that the aroma of rosemary can enhance cognitive performance and memory. The compounds in rosemary, such as 1,8-cineol, has been shown to boost alertness and mental clarity, making it a valuable herb for students and professionals alike. 2. Antioxidant properties. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, particularly rosmarinic acid and casnotic acid. These antioxidants help protect the body cells from oxidative stress and damaging effects of free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, rosemary may contribute to better overall health and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. 3. Anti-inflammatory effect. Rosemary contains anti-inflammatory compounds like rosmarinic acid and other polyphenols. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often at the root of various health issues including arthritis, allergies, and chronic illnesses. 4. Digestive health. Rosemary has been traditionally used to aid digestion. It can help relax the muscles of digestive tract, which may alleviate indigestion and gastrointestinal discomfort. Some people also use rosemary tea or oil to relieve symptoms like bloating and gas. 5. Culinary versatility. Rosemary is a versatile culinary herb that can enhance the flavor of various dishes. It pairs well with roasted meats, potatoes, bread, and even desserts. Its robust, earthy flavor can elevate the taste of your dishes, making them more delicious and aromatic. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, rosemary can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. 6. Do-it-yourself beauty products. Rosemary is sometimes used in DIY beauty products such as hair rinses and shampoos. The essential oil extracted from rosemary can stimulate hair growth, improve scalp health, and even help control dandruff. It's a natural way to promote hair health and enhance your beauty routine. 7. Natural air freshener. The pleasant herbal aroma of rosemary makes it a great natural air freshener. You can use dried rosemary in sachet or pot puree to keep our living spaces smelling fresh and clean. Its scent can help create a calming and inviting atmosphere in your home. Overall, rosemary is a multifaceted herb that offers a wide range of benefits, from enhancing cognitive function and memory to improve overall health and aiding digestion, adding a burst of flavor to your culinary creation. Its versatility and historical significance make it a herb worth exploring and incorporating into your daily life. That's all for today. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends and family and hit that subscribe button for more informative content on Joy's YouTube channel. As always, thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. Goodbye.